Whenever I have chicken breast at home, I make this easy and delicious recipe. Let's get right into it. We're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast cut into cubes, okay? Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well. I'd love to know which country you're watching me from. Add the chicken to the pan and let it brown for 8 minutes. Let's set the chicken aside for now, all right? In the same pan, add 2 heaping tablespoons of butter. Add 1 chopped onion and 3 chopped garlic cloves and let them saute. Now let's add 1 broccoli, ½ a green bell pepper cut into cubes, ½ a yellow bell pepper, ½ a red bell pepper, and 1 cup of mushrooms. This chicken recipe is simply wonderful. Everyone asks for it at home. Cover the pan and let it saute for 5 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 2/3 of a cup of water and mix it well. Add it to the pan and mix all the ingredients. I'd like to take the opportunity to send a special shout out to Charles Stephen from Orlando, Florida, USA. I'm very happy that you're enjoying our recipes. To finish, add the chicken we set aside earlier. What would you do differently with this recipe? I'd love to know your take on it. Let it cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. Our meal is ready. Oh my gosh, this chicken is simply wonderful. You have to try it. It's too good. Thank you for your company. I'll be waiting for you in our next recipe. Enjoy.